Hey guys, what's up? Eli here. In today's training, I'm going to share with you how you can go out there and build a consistently profitable long-term online business. So what we're going to cover in this training is the one rule that you must focus on when it comes to creating a simple, profitable, long-term online business that has the potential to change your life. Now, please note that this one rule that I'm going to share with you, it can be applied to any area or aspect of your life, whether that's health, wealth, or relationships. Maybe you're trying to learn a musical instrument. Maybe you're trying to learn how to speak a new language. Maybe you're trying to get better at a particular sport. Regardless of what business model you're in, regardless of what it is, in any aspect of your life that you're trying to improve, this one rule, if you apply it, it will help you. Okay, so what is this one rule? Well, this one rule is that you have to do something every single day, regardless of outcome in the short term. Okay, so if you're looking to build a sustainable long-term and profitable online business, regardless of business model, that has the potential to change your life, then you must execute on set tasks every single day, okay? So these set tasks, maybe they're recording one video per day, just like what I'm doing now. Maybe they're checking your Facebook ads, maybe they're cutting ads and scaling profitable ones, okay? Maybe they're launching a new Facebook campaign every single day. Maybe that is doing 30 minutes to an hour of product research every single day. Maybe that's communicating with your team every single day. Maybe that's adding one new product to your e-commerce store every single day. Okay, this video isn't specifically about e-commerce. It is about the principles behind building a profitable long-term online business. Okay, and it all comes down to being consistent and executing on set tasks that move the needle in your business every single day. Okay, now this is one of my favorite quotes. It's by Will Smith, and it is, you don't try to build a wall. You don't set out to build a wall. You don't say, I'm going to go build the biggest, baddest, greatest wall that's ever been built. You don't start there. You say, I'm going to lay this one brick as perfectly as a brick can be laid, and you do that every single day, and soon you have a wall. Okay, that's one of my favorite quotes. I felt like it's a perfect spot to add it in. Now, why is this the best approach? Okay, it's the best approach because it keeps things simple. Okay, you're trying to build a simple business model, hopefully a business model that is built around your life. Okay, you don't just want to build yourself another job. And it helps you avoid overwhelm. Okay, especially when you're starting out, building an online business can be very overwhelming. Keeping it simple is key. It also allows you to build momentum, okay, which is really important. And it most importantly helps you build positive habits and routines. Now, understanding the process. In the beginning, you're going to be doing these tasks every single day and you are not going to see any results. Okay, if you do, great. But if you don't, understand that is normal. Look at this graph. This is your journey. This is, most people's processes. Yes, there are some people who just from the get-go, they come out of the gates and they find success. But understand that is not the majority. That is the rare few. Most people, their journey will look like this graph. At the beginning, it is flatlined. You are not seeing any real results. And as you progress, your growth will explode. Okay, most people quit building their online business before they actually hit that exponential curve. Most people quit and give up. I don't want that to be you. Now, most people don't have any idea what it is they are doing or what it is they're really trying to do. They don't have a routine. They don't have a list of things they need to execute on every single day. They don't have any structure. Most people, as a result of that, they feel really confused and overwhelmed. They feel frustrated because they're not seeing immediate results. Now, you don't want to be like most people. You want to create a power list of things that you need to execute on every single day. These things need to be tasks that move the needle, okay? These are things that you need to do no matter what. Okay, you need to develop positive habits and positive routines every single day. You need to also have that mindset that it is consistency over time that will give you that momentum and help you get that exponential growth, okay? But if you are not consistent, this will not work. If you are not consistent, you'll never reach that exponential growth, okay? You have to be consistent. You have to execute on your power list every single day, and the choice is yours. Are you going to do this? Because if you don't, if you are not consistent every single day at whatever it is you are trying to do, you are going to waste a lot of time, potentially a lot of money. Okay, and if you're not all in, then you might as well get out. Okay, that's the truth. Don't waste your time. It's not for everybody. Okay, this is not for everybody. You need to have the mindset that you're in it to win it, and you are going to do what it takes to get there. Okay, and what it takes is being consistent and executing daily. So the choice is yours. When I first started, it took me a lot longer than it should have before I reached my exponential growth. This was because I was not consistent, okay? I understand the importance of consistency, routine, and having a list of things to execute on every single day. It's right there on my board, okay? I do it every single day. You need to have that as well. In the beginning, I didn't have that. I wasted a lot more time than I should have. That's why I want to share this with you. I wanted to make this video. Please listen to me. I want to help you speed up, and hopefully you avoid what I did and find some success and results faster. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you got a lot of value out of it, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.